Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another type of statement where we will discuss how we can delete the data from a table but without preparing any statement. Okay, so in short, the thing that we are going to discuss today is the process where we are not going to do preparation. So let me remove this first because this is the execute statement only. Okay, so we'll see like how we are utilizing the statement directly without preparing it. But before discussing that, let me show you the requirement first, and after understanding the requirement we will write the program. So here I will show you one table data. So here I'm running one query: select star from Sharmit1, which is my library name slash, and my table name is students 2. So once I hit enter, you will see there is one record only in this file, which has student ID as 66 and student name is Sharmit-66. Now let's say I want to delete this record through SQLRPGLE program, but I don't want to prepare the statement. I just want to delete it immediately. So how to do this? So to complete this task, we will see this program and we will execute it also. Okay, so what we are doing here in this program, first of all we are declaring one constant, and the name of the constant is SQL state underscore valid with 5 times zeros. So this constant we will use in order to verify the query whether it is executed properly or not. Okay, and because whenever we are executing any SQL statement in SQL RPGLE program, it returns some status, and on the basis of that status we can easily identify whether the query is executed properly or not. If it is returning 5 times 0, then it means the query has been completed successfully. If it is returning 2000, then it means end of file occur. And apart from this, whatever the SQL state we are receiving, it could show some kind of error which occurred during the query execution. So this constant we will use just for the verification purpose. After that, we have declared one variable with the name SQLSTempty, and this name variable we will use to prepare the string. In short, we should not say prepare the string because we are not preparing anything here. We can say to store the string. Okay, because if I'm saying it is preparing, then it is wrong, because in this entire program we are not going to prepare anything. We are not going to prepare any statement. We are just declaring the string and then we are executing it. This is what we are learning today. Okay, so this is just a variable of character type of length 100. After that, we are doing the commit option. We are setting the commit option to star none, as we always do in SQLRPGLE program. So simply exec SQL set option commit equals to star none. After that, we are preparing the string. So to prepare the string, just write SQLSTempty equal and then simply write your query. So here I am writing delete from students to where student ID is 100. Here we are not using any kind of placeholder or any variable. We are just directly writing the query here. If you would like to verify the query before executing the program, then simply copy it from here and you can simply go and run here. Okay, if it is working fine, then it means it is okay. But right now I am not using it, otherwise it will remove that data and we have only one data with ID 64. Let me show you it again. Here we have only 66, sorry, the ID is 66, so let me make it to 66. So we have just designed the string. Now you can see we are not preparing a statement here. We are directly executing the string immediately. So you can see exec SQL execute immediate, and this is my variable for removing the which contains the string. So execute immediate and this is string. Once this statement is completed, we will perform the basic validation. So here I'm checking for the SQL state. If SQL state is valid, then it means record has been deleted successfully. But if there is some error, then it would go inside this else block, where it will show either one message, like it will show one message error occurred, or it will also show the SQL state. Why? Because if any error occurred, then user or developer should know which type of SQL state has been returned, because then only he can go and check out for the solution, right? And some developer like also take the dump here, so that he can check out the dump file if there is any kind of issue occur during the runtime. Then dump is also one kind of solution which we can take during the error scenario or else scenario. Okay, here we can also check for specific error. Let's say if record is there, it will for sure go inside if block and show a record has been deleted successfully. But if there is no record available with a matching ID, then it will return 2000. What is the meaning of 2000? If SQL state is 0 2000, then it means record end of file occur without finding any information or any specific record. Okay, so it is up to you. You can also specify else if condition to check for the SQL state 2000. Otherwise you can make program dynamic, like as I did here. I just put everything inside else block, where I just I'm printing just error occurred message with a display SQL state. Okay, at last we are just doing INLR on. So let me quickly compile this program and call it. So once I call it, you will see it is showing message records deleted successfully. And if I check the file data now, there is no record in this file, no record available. Why? Because through the program there is only one record in this file with a student ID 66, which has been deleted with our program once we have called it. Okay, now if I call it again, so in this case what will happen, it will show one message error occurred. Why? Because this time we are trying to delete the ID student record whose ID is 66, but there is no record available in the file with ID 66. Even there is no record in the file, right? So in this case it should show message which it is showing error occurred. Now if I hit enter again, you can see it is returning SQL state also. And if I check this SQL state on internet, then it would give me the information, yes, this is the data, this error occurred due to the end of file. So in short, you can say end of file has been reached. So this is how we can write the SQLRPGLE program, where we can directly execute the SQL statement without preparing it. Now there might be one question, in which scenario we can use this concept. So we can use this concept whenever we are sure that yes, these are the things that we can execute directly. Then in that case we can use execute immediate. But if you want to take some placeholder or you want to prepare something, then in that case you can go with prepare and execute. Here we are not doing prepare and execute. Here we are just making the string, designing the string, and then we are executing it immediately. So this immediate keyword is for executing the query immediately. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this session. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.